It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Yukon XL AT4. Let's start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors and power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, and this AT4 comes with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. The jet black leather interior comes with the Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 badging in the headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the telescopic steering wheel button, the heads-up display button, park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, auto stop start, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, the power liftgate button, the buttons to fold our rear seating down and OnStar. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a 10-inch touchscreen that displays the outside temperature, the time. It's equipped with navigation. We're also able to access our rear media from the front, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Down below, to the left, we have our far push start button. We've got the park reverse drive buttons, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated and cooled front seats, as well as our rear climate control buttons. We've got some USB and power plug-ins, as well as the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the AT4, we've got red tow hooks, fog lights, LED headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards down below. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the rear, we've got the power liftgate. I'll use this key fob here, push the button twice to open up the back. In the rear here, we've got lots of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power locks and power windows, as well as a storage compartment. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets, as well as our rear media entertainment screens, where you're able to connect your smart device and watch something on the screen, listen to music, or follow along on the navigation. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, our rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and our USB and power plugins. To gain access to the third row, we can use the center aisle or pull one of the levers located on the side of the seat. In the third row, we've got 3 additional seats, USB-C plugins, and cup holders on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon XL AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.